हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू VEDA गणिता। आज हम परसेंटेज की कुछ डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस आज हम करेंगे। मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस बुक से सिलेक्ट किया है। आज उस बुक के क्वेश्चंस आज हम करेंगे। If the cell tax be reduced from 3.5% to 3 1/3%, then what difference does it make to a person who purchases an article with mark price 8,400 rupees? क्वेश्चन को जरा ध्यान दीजिएगा। If the cell tax be reduced from 3.5% to 3 1/3%, इसको जरा ध्यान दीजिएगा। 3.5% to 3 1/3%, the difference is 1/2 minus 1/3, that is 1/6%. Because 3 is the whole number part, so we can ignore the whole number part. So the difference between half and 1/3 is 1/6%. That means the difference between the cell tax is 1/6%. What is the mark price? Mark price is 8,400 rupees. What will be, because the cell tax is reduced, so ultimately the person will gain some price. So this is 8,400. 6% of this amount becomes 1/600. So this is 14 rupees. So the answer is your 14 rupees. This is the simplest way that we can solve the question using the direct method. धन्यवाद। जय जगन्नाथ।